Welcome back, Fitt Queens and Kings and all you roll in between. My name is Victoria and this is Fit for a Queen. If you're new to my channel, I would like to welcome you. If you like lifestyle videos, vlogs, and cook with me's, you've come to the right place. Please go back and watch some of my previous videos, and if you like this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So in today's video, we are doing a cook with me. I'm going to show you how to make a homemade chili for those cold winter days. This chili requires about 5 main ingredients and it doesn't require a lot of prep time. So let's get started. Come along and cook with me. For this easy recipe, you will need some ground beef or ground turkey. How much of that you will need depends on how many people you are serving. I'm using about a pound of ground beef. You'll also need some chili powder. I bought the McCormick chili powder. You will need some diced tomatoes. I like to get the chili ready diced tomatoes because it makes it easier to mix in with everything. But you can also buy the stewed tomatoes. And lastly, you will need some chili beans. I like to get the Lucky's chili beans because it comes in a hot and a mild, and I like to mix those together to make it a little spicy. So you can add some other ingredients to this recipe. You can add in some diced onions, bell peppers, jalapeno peppers, anything that you would prefer to add a little kick to your chili. Okay, so let's jump into it. I'm gonna start off first by cooking my ground beef, and I'm going to cook that on a medium heat as well as cook it to a medium well because it's going to continue to cook as you add in all of your other ingredients. And that especially applies to cooking ground turkey because if you overcook it, it can become very tough. So now I'm going to add in some diced onions because that is going to give my ground beef a little bit more flavor. Okay, so now I'm going to drain any excess grease. Since I've drained all of my excess grease, now it's time to add in my hot chili powder as well as a little salt. Now I'm going to add in some black pepper as well as my diced tomatoes. And then I'm going to mix all of the ingredients in together. Now it's time to add in your chili beans. together again and let it simmer on a low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then you're ready. So that's it, guys. You can add toppings to your chili like cheese. I like to add sour cream and sometimes rice. So whenever it's cold outside, just go ahead and cook up this recipe. It doesn't take long and it doesn't require a lot of ingredients.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment down below. Well, my time is up, and I guess I'll see you next time. Bye.